Greetings, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. In today's fast-paced business environment, data has become the core asset of enterprise operations. Ensuring the security, accessibility, and continuous availability of data is a top priority for every IT manager. With the rapid adoption of virtualization, cloud computing, and big data, traditional backup and recovery methods are no longer sufficient to meet the needs of modern enterprises. Therefore, businesses require powerful data protection solutions to guarantee business continuity and data security. In this report, we will introduce Veeam Backup and Replication v12 and NAKIVO Backup and Replication, and explore how they seamlessly integrate with QSAN's QSM4 to provide robust and flexible backup and recovery capabilities for businesses. Whether dealing with virtualized environments, physical servers, or cloud platforms, the integration of these tools helps companies efficiently protect their critical data and achieve rapid recovery to mitigate potential data loss risks. Veeam Backup and Replication v12 is a comprehensive solution encompassing backup, replication, anti-ransomware protection, disaster recovery, and VM monitoring designed to fulfill the data protection requirements of contemporary virtual, physical, and cloud environments. It highlights the seamless integration of Veeam Backup and Replication v12 with QSM storage solutions. In the fast-paced business landscape of today, safeguarding the security and accessibility of critical data is paramount. Veeam's robust backup and replication software, when paired with QSAN's dependable storage infrastructure, offers a holistic solution tailored to the evolving demands of modern enterprises. This document examines the collaborative strengths of Veeam and QSAN storage, illustrating how their combined features enable organizations to efficiently and effectively meet their data protection, disaster recovery, and business continuity objectives. Whether serving a small business or a large corporation, the integration of Veeam with QSAN storage delivers a scalable and cost-effective strategy for safeguarding your essential data assets. Configuring Veeam on the server is straightforward and requires minimal hardware resources. In fact, Veeam's hardware requirements are very modest. For added convenience and flexibility, Veeam can even be installed directly on a VM virtual machine hosted on the VMware SC server to be backed up. This means that you can leverage an existing Windows-based VM on an ESXi host to install Veeam, and then use that VM to perform a backup of the entire virtualized environment, including the VMs that reside on the ESXi server itself. This approach not only simplifies the setup process, but also optimizes resource utilization by integrating backup capabilities into the virtualized infrastructure. The connection is very simple. Here is the brief one and any topology that will work if the logical connection is pingable. In this use case, we will explore how to perform a backup using Veeam v12 and store the backup data on an X-Cube NXT storage solution. This configuration ensures the security and accessibility of critical data, providing a reliable solution for data protection and disaster recovery. First, create pool, file volume, share and share, host group from QSM4 first. After create file volume, share and CIFS share host in X-Cube NXT. Open Veeam v12 application and click the Add Repository icon to add the repository. And then select Network Attached Storage. Select SMB share, then enter IP share and NAS credentials. Confirm the mount server, then apply the setting. Check the repository already created in the menu. Go to Home/Job/Backup and select Windows Computer. And keep the default setting and next, then type job name. Next, enter host IP address and credentials and select Backup mode. We choose File Level Backup as example. Select the object which you want to backup. And also select the backup repository, which we just created. Then configure the backup schedule and finish. Check the task we just created in the list and run the task. And then wait for the task to complete. Finally, you can find backup file in the File Explorer. NAKIVO Backup and Replication is an all-in-one backup, replication, anti-ransomware protection, disaster recovery, and VM monitoring solution that meets all the data protection needs of today's virtual and mixed environments. It focuses on the seamless integration of NAKIVO backup and replication with QSM storage solutions. In today's dynamic business environment, ensuring the security and accessibility of critical data is critical. NAKIVO's powerful backup and replication software, combined with QSAN's reliable storage infrastructure, provides a comprehensive solution customized to meet the ever-changing needs of modern enterprises. Explores the synergies between NAKIVO and QSAN storage, focusing on how their combined capabilities can help organizations achieve their data protection, disaster recovery, and business continuity goals efficiently and effectively. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, the integration of NAKIVO with QSAN storage provides a scalable, cost-effective solution to protect your valuable data assets. Configuring NAKIVO on the server is very simple and requires minimal hardware resources. In fact, NAKIVO's hardware requirements are very minimal. For added convenience and flexibility, NAKIVO can even be installed directly on a VM hosted on the VMware SAC server to be backed up. This means that you can leverage an existing Windows-based VM on an ESXi host to install NAKIVO, and then use that VM to perform a backup of the entire virtualized environment, including the VMs that reside on the ESXi server itself. This approach not only simplifies the setup process, but also optimizes resource utilization by integrating backup capabilities into the virtualized infrastructure. In this use case scenario, we will explore a simple procedure to perform a backup using NAKIVO backup and replication, and store the backup data on an Xcube NXT storage solution. This configuration ensures the security and accessibility of critical data, providing a reliable solution for data protection and disaster recovery needs. Click the plus icon to add the first inventory. Add VMware vCenter and check whether the result is good. Click the plus icon to add a repository. We are using Xcube and NXT's shared folder. Go to Jobs menu and click the plus icon to add the first backup job, and then select Backup for VMware. Also select the source. Here, select QSM4 unit as target, and then set up backup schedule setting. There are options that need to be adjusted in the last step. Please read and adjust the parameters you need. Here I use all the default settings. Complete the creation of the backup job and click the Go button to start the backup process. The GUI will notify you when completed. Now, let's try to configure recovery steps. In this use case scenario, we will demonstrate the process of restoring a VM using NAKIVO backup and replication in the same environment previously configured for a basic backup of the QSM4 storage solution. This scenario simulates an emergency situation in which an existing VM needs to be restored after being deleted or damaged, highlighting the effectiveness of NAKIVO's recovery capabilities and the recovery performance of QSM4. There are many options for recovering a VM. We are using the full recovery for VMware option. Deleting the production VM simulates its corruption scenario and perform a full recovery of VMware. Select the backup VM image and click the Next button. Leave all options at their default values, then click the Finish and Run button. After the recovery job is completed, the VM returns to normal. VCM Backup and Replication V12 and NAKIVO Backup and Replication both provide powerful data protection solutions that integrate seamlessly with QSM4, delivering comprehensive backup and recovery capabilities for businesses. Veeam is renowned for its comprehensiveness and flexibility, catering to various backup needs in different environments. With Veeam, users can easily back up critical data, such as files, applications, and system configurations, and it offers incremental backup functionality that only backs up the changed portions, saving both time and storage. When combined with QSM4 NAS, Veeam further enhances storage performance and data recovery speed, ensuring business continuity. Similarly, NAKIVO Backup and Replication provides an efficient and resource-friendly data protection solution when integrated with QSM4. NAKIVO supports seamless backup for virtual machines, physical servers, and cloud environments, offering features like global data deduplication, incremental backups, and automatic backup verification. By integrating NAKIVO with QSM4 NAS, businesses can further optimize backup efficiency, ensuring fast data recovery and security. Both solutions, in conjunction with QSM4, emphasize ease of management and efficient resource utilization, offering reliable business continuity and data security. Veeam delivers comprehensive data protection and powerful recovery capabilities, while NAKIVO stands out with fast deployment and resource efficiency. Together with QSM4, these two backup tools provide reliable, efficient, and secure backup solutions for modern IT environments.